Right.
Pull the throttle body off so it's out of our way. So we get to the fucking thermostat down there. Yeah! So, we've got the thermostat out so far. And we have a little bit of cleaning to do. Try to get the new thermostat put it in. So, we have the new thermostat set in place. Just right now, I'm adding transmission shit into it, so. It's going right to the transmission down there. That should help it out by a long shot. New thermostat's in, we RTV'd the housing, now we just have to tighten it up. And that's all fucked. Oh well. We just gotta tighten it up. Woohoo! We've got the thermostat in place already, tightened down and everything else. We are working on the throttle body, getting the gasket area cleaned, and gonna go out and go get another gasket for it. Hopefully. I put new hoses on the throttle body for the coolant. They'll just have to be attached. And I removed the plastic off here. Because I'm gonna do what I did with, where is it? With that second hose down there. I'm just gonna put it right on the metal and just clamp it down again. Because the plastic was leaking. And I'm not spending $20 on plastic right now. So. Alright. New gasket, as you can see. Throttle body's back on. Now just gonna put this line in place and pull everything back on and let it sit. Not touching it. I don't have this. Just a little more to put back together. This hose here has to go where all this is tangled up at. That goes down below. There. This goes on to there. And then put dipstick back here, Michael. And then one more hose back here that's to be hooked up. Trash. We're just sitting there waiting on it to warm up. There's no backfiring anymore, so our ignition coil is working. We're trying to get the thermostat to open, but the car is too cold, as you can see. We're just waiting on it to warm up. That way we can see the thermostat open, make sure we have no leaks, and get our entire system